Ladies, I have a very cool service to announce to you guys today. Are you ready? Are you ready? This service is like a mixture between bad and bougie mixed with bad and bougie on a budget, okay? So if you love wearing luxury, designer, and you like it to be authentic, but want to save some of your coins, then stay tuned for this video. I have the perfect company for you. Hey you guys, it's your favorite diva, Dangerous Diva, and I am back with a special treat for you guys. You see this black box right here? Let's just get right into it. Luxury fashion rentals. They were so kind enough to send me this package, ladies, and I am super excited to unbox this mystery package for you guys, that is. But it is a designer item in here. I didn't have to spend any coins on this. They were kind enough to send me this to review this service for you guys, but I am giving my honest feedback and opinion of the company. Let me tell you all about them. Luxury Fashion Rentals is an e-commerce site that rents out luxury designer handbags, top of the line, at only a fraction of the price. Say it with me, a fraction of the price, ladies. Now, if you are a designer bag junkie or you just love designer bags, then you know that they can cost you a pretty coin. We're talking $5,000, $3,000, $2,000, $1,500. Now, imagine you can get the same handbags for only 10% or less. I'm telling you, let's get into more about luxury fashion rentals and how to use the service. Log on to luxuryfashionrentals.com, click sign in to create an account. Make sure you put all of your important information in and your account will be created. You can then go back to the home page and click rent now. Once you do that, you will see a whole list of designer bags from Louis Vuitton to Chanel to Hermes to Gucci and much, much more. I've selected a beautiful medium flap Chanel bag, and I am now going to select my rental period of 30 days. It's a much better price to me to do 30 days. Depends on how long you need the bag for. Once you have added it to your shopping bag, don't forget to include my coupon code DangerousDiva25. That will take 25% off your order. That is $125 off this order in particular. And you are good to go once you make sure that it has attached successfully. So let's get right into my bag. Ladies, what I love also about this company is that it comes in this eco-friendly bag. First off, take a look at this packaging. I've never seen packaging like this delivered because I order from Amazon and every company online because I have the happy fingers disease. I have the happy fingers disease where I shop always online, and I've never received packaging like that. So shout out to Luxury Handbags for stepping it up with the eco-friendly packaging. So this zip tie will come on your zipper when you receive it, UPS, and you sign for the package because again, this is high-end retail bags that is being shipped to you. So what you do is you cut the zip tie off and then you unzip your box to reveal the package. Let's reveal mine in just a second. Now, look at that. Hello and enjoy. Now, say you get the bag and you're disappointed. Their policy is awesome. The bag itself comes with a zip tie and a message. And the message says, read before moving. Please remove this tag to enjoy. Returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached to the product and is sent back within 2 days of arrival. So say you get it and you're not as impressed, and it's smaller or it's bigger than you anticipated, then no problem. You leave the zip tag on, you leave the zip tie and the tag on the bag, and you just return it right back to UPS within 48 hours. So I like that feature also. So let's do the big reveal. 1, 2, 3. Yes, if you were paying attention to the beginning of this video, then you saw this beautiful medium-sized flap Chanel flap bag. Yes, I love the detail on this. Take a look at this beauty. This is authentic Chanel, and it's in excellent condition, guys. Look at this bag. So it has a zipper here. You really can't use it down here, but it's like the space here you can use. And then it has the flap, and it has the double C there. And then it's big enough to fit a couple pens or lipsticks there, business cards, a phone. It has a front pocket here for your phone or a wallet and some other items there. But Chanel is just very stylish. I always love Chanel for obviously the quality, but also the belt. I just love the straps on all Chanel bags. And this is fun because I only have one Chanel bag in my collection, and it's not a medium flap bag. It is the boy bag. And so this was a nice bag to have and play with for the time being. Now, I had a lot of fun because I did like a silver gray monochromatic look, and it came out really nice. Make sure you go follow my Instagram to check out those photos. I gave you a little clip. I just really love how Chanel bag complements your outfit. I was not disappointed when I received this. It filled all my expectations and more. So imagine having an expensive handbag like this. Adiva is not going to leave you empty-handed. I'm not going to just tell you about a service and not give you something. So say thank you. Adiva is going to give you 25% off of your service for the first time. So you're going to get free shipping and 25% off your first order. So this $5,000 Chanel bag, really more than that with tax, will only cost you $500 for a whole 30 days. Now, if you use my coupon, you'll get 25% off, ladies. That's $125. So I'm telling you guys, check out Luxury Fashion Rentals. I really like this service. This is my honest opinion. Again, I love that the bags are authentic. Bags are well kept in excellent condition. Do you see this? Excellent condition. This is a really clever idea, ladies. If you imagine, if you spend $5,500 on one bag, that's like 10 rentals with Luxury Fashion Rentals. So it's like you can have a bag every month of the year, just about, for the same price of paying for one handbag. Because let's be honest, ladies, how many times do you wear the handbag that you purchased for so much? It's an investment. So when you look at the return on the investment, it's kind of like, is that a real smart decision, or should I just rent the bag and have a new bag every month? I mean, think about it. It's an option. In the package, you also get this cool envelope. It's glittery, very glittery, with the return labels. So you can return it UPS ground. You just put the zip tie back on the outside of the box zippers, put the label on, obviously, and it goes back on its way back to Luxury Fashion Rentals. When you buy luxury designer bags like this, it's an investment. It really is. So check out the company. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm Dangerous Diva. Let me know what you think about this service, and let me know any other videos that you'd like me to do. All right, you guys, it was a pleasure informing you about a new service that I think is A-okay. And if you enjoyed yourself and made it to the end of this video, then you should click subscribe. Don't be shy. Join the Diva tribe. All right, guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to spread love. I'm Dangerous Diva, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.